Problem 5-10. Gnosis has been working on his geometry homework and he is almost finished. His last task is to find a solution of the sine of x equals 0.75. Gnosis cannot figure out what x could be. Explain how he can find a value for x and show that it works. So Gnosis, we got to help out Gnosis. Well, Gnosis is trying to find the sine of x. That's not an x, that's a 0. And which one equals 0.75? Well, to do this, we're going to need to use the inverse of the sine function. So, to do that, we'll say x is equal to the inverse of the sine function of 0.75. To do that, I can't do it in my head, so I'm going to get out my calculator. And I'm going to look at it and say, first of all, is it in degree mode? To check on an older calculator, press mode. Make sure you're not in radian, make sure you're in degrees. I'm in degrees, so I can quit, second quit. And I'm going to do the inverse of the sine function of 3/4, or 0.75. So to do that, second, the sine button. You see we have the little -1, just like you had in class today when we're talking about inverse functions. And we'll put in there 0.75. We hit enter, and we get x equals 48.59 degrees. So how can we check this value to make sure it works? Well, we can go ahead and we can do the sine of 48.59, and it should equal about 0.75. Let's see. Remember, we've rounded it. So sine of 48.59, enter, and we get about 0.74999, so that would be approximately, let's change that to approximately 0.75. So we know it works. This is a little throwback to geometry. We all love geometry. Geometry is fun. Okie dokie do. Happy Valentine's Day. Coming up soon. Get your girlfriend a present. Get your boyfriend some presents. Alrighty.